Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the smartest, most high-tech cordless vacuums on the market, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus in this sleek yellow/nickel finish. Before we jump in, don't forget to check out the link below to grab the best deal on this vacuum. Today I've included the best deal I could find for you. Toolbox emoji, what's in the box? The Dyson V15 Detect Plus comes fully loaded with laser slim fluffy cleaner head, yes, laser-guided dust detection. High-torque cleaner head with anti-tangle tech. Digital motor bar. Hair screw tool, perfect for pet owners. Combination and crevice tools. Wall dock plus charger. Click-in battery. LCD screen on the vacuum itself. User guide and warranty. Everything feels ultra-premium out of the box, and assembly is tool-free and takes just minutes. High voltage sign emoji, performance and tech. Dyson isn't playing around with this one. The V15 Detect Plus is packed with smart features and powerful suction. Laser dust detection, it literally lights up the dust you can't see on hard floors. Cleaning becomes oddly satisfying. Piezo sensor, it counts and categorizes dust particles in real time, adjusting suction accordingly. LCD screen, shows runtime, suction level, and dust particle data. Yep, nerdy and cool. 240 of suction, Dyson's most powerful yet in a cordless format. Up to 60 minutes of runtime on eco mode. Advanced filtration, captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, great for allergy sufferers. We tested it on hardwood floors, carpets, tiles, pet hair, cereal spills, and fine dust. It handled everything like a pro. White check mark emoji, pros. Laser light actually works, shows hidden dirt, makes cleaning efficient. Incredible suction power, on par with corded vacuums. Smart auto adjust, seamlessly adapts suction to surface. Great battery life, up to 1 hour with swappable battery. Lightweight and quiet, very ergonomic. Perfect for pet hair, especially with the anti-tangle mini motorized tool. Warning emoji, cons. Premium price, it's Dyson, so expect a luxury tag. Laser only on hardwood head, not useful for carpets. Needs regular bin emptying, small canister, but easy to clean. Slightly top heavy, can be tiring for longer cleaning sessions. Brain emoji, WHO should buy this? The Dyson V15 Detect Plus is ideal for allergy sufferers, pet owners, families with kids, hello, messes. Anyone who wants to clean smarter, not harder. Tech lovers who appreciate data, even from their vacuum, smiley face emoji. Bullseye emoji, final verdict. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus isn't just a vacuum, it's a smart cleaning system. From laser detection to auto suction adjustment and real-time data, it's the future of home cleaning. If you want the most advanced cordless vacuum on the market, this is it. Pricey? Yes. But every bit of that price is backed by performance and innovation. Star emoji, rating, 9.6 out of 10. Trophy emoji, best for smart homes, pet households, allergy-sensitive users, tech-savvy cleaners.